Welcome to back my channel Car Rides Toyota Bajaj CNG Auto Rickshaw 2026, which is making waves in the market with its promising features, efficiency, and modern design. The Toyota Bajaj CNG Auto Rickshaw 2026 is a new model that combines the expertise of Toyota in automotive engineering with Bajaj's legacy in the three-wheeler market. This collaboration has produced a vehicle that is expected to set new benchmarks in the urban transportation segment. With cities becoming more congested and the need for efficient last-mile connectivity growing rapidly, this CNG-powered auto rickshaw aims to be both an environmentally friendly and economically viable option for drivers and passengers alike. Under the hood, this auto rickshaw comes with a refined CNG engine that offers excellent fuel economy along with low emissions. The vehicle is built to meet BS6 emission standards, ensuring that it is environmentally compliant and future-proof for evolving regulations. The engine performance is smooth, and the rickshaw provides sufficient power to comfortably navigate crowded city streets, flyovers, and even hilly terrains with ease. With a strong focus on mileage, it promises to deliver high kilometers per kilogram of CNG, reducing the running cost for daily operators. The design of the 2026 Toyota Bajaj CNG Auto Rickshaw is also noteworthy. The body features a modern aerodynamic shape that not only enhances its look but also aids in fuel efficiency. The build quality is solid with reinforced chassis and suspension systems that promise durability even on rough roads. The front fascia is refreshed with new headlamps and stylish body graphics, making it stand out from the regular rickshaws seen on the roads. The interiors are designed keeping passenger comfort in mind. It comes with cushioned seats, better legroom, and a driver-friendly dashboard with digital instrument clusters and easy-to-reach controls. Safety has also been given importance in this model. The rickshaw includes side guards, a sturdy roof structure, and optional seat belts for passengers. The braking system has been upgraded with a more responsive setup that ensures shorter stopping distances, which is crucial in busy traffic situations. The suspension system is improved to provide a smoother ride over potholes and speed breakers, making it comfortable for both drivers and passengers on daily routes. Another remarkable feature of the 2026 Toyota Bajaj CNG Auto Rickshaw is its low maintenance cost. The engine and transmission are designed to require fewer service visits, and the availability of spare parts will not be an issue thanks to Toyota and Bajaj's widespread service network. This guarantees peace of mind for owners and fleet operators who rely on their vehicles' uptime for business profitability. In conclusion, the Toyota Bajaj CNG Auto Rickshaw 2026 is set to be a game-changer in the segment, offering superior fuel efficiency, modern design, enhanced safety features, and low maintenance. Whether you are a driver looking for a reliable source of income or a fleet operator aiming to expand your business, this vehicle is worth considering. For more such latest automobile reviews and updates, make sure to subscribe to Auto Mania by Car Rides. Stay informed and ride smart with us.